What is this elusive thing we call personality? The answer is both simple and complex, as it's the essence of who we are, the sum of our traits and quirks. It's how we approach life, why we enjoy certain activities, why we stress about some things and not others. Our personalities aren't just shaped by our circumstances or personal quirks, though. The systematic differences between us, these personality traits, are of prime interest to psychologists. Natural selection, in theory, should have honed our traits to be universally optimal. Yet, we observe such a variety of personalities. This suggests that every trait, in its own unique way, offers some benefits and incurs some costs. There is no best personality. Instead, the diversity of personalities helps in creating a balanced world. Personality traits act like thermostats in our brains, each controlling a different range of behaviors and attitude. And it's surprising how these behaviors link together. Those who love the thrill of competition, loud music, and travel also tend to exhibit higher sex drive. The individual with a specific phobia may also be prone to excessive worrying and depression. It's these thermostats, these clusters of behavior, that help us define the Big Five's personality traits: extroversion, neuroticism, conscientiousness, openness to experience, and agreeableness. These form the unique blueprint of our personality. Where you stand on any one of the Big Five plays a role in your response to different situations. Your level of extroversion dictates how much you enjoy pleasure-seeking or risk-taking activities. Neuroticism shapes your response to threats, with highly neurotic individuals tending to feel more stressed or anxious. Conscientiousness speaks about your orientation towards goals. If you're highly conscientious, you stick to your plans and principles, while if you're low on conscientiousness, you're more spontaneous. Agreeableness reflects in our relationships. Those high on agreeableness pay more attention to others' needs and emotions. Finally, openness determines how you respond to new ideas. As we understand more about personality, we can link these traits to our brain's activities. Neuroscientists have found that the amygdala, a part of the brain involved in responding to threats and processing emotions, is often more active in individuals who are high in neuroticism. On the other hand, the prefrontal cortex, which is associated with planning complex cognitive behavior and moderating social behavior, plays a significant role in conscientiousness. Similarly, the ventromedial prefrontal cortex, associated with decision-making and controlling emotional responses from the amygdala, has been found to be particularly active in individuals with high levels of agreeableness. For openness, it's the posterior cingulate cortex, involved in memory and visual processing, which is more active. With all these moving parts, it's clear that personality is a complex interplay of genetics, brain physiology, and life experiences. It's a puzzle we're only beginning to piece together, and it's likely that our understanding of personality will continue to evolve in the years to come. Yet, despite its complexity, understanding personality has practical applications. For example, knowing your own personality can help you find activities you enjoy or work you're suited for. It can also help you understand others and how to interact with them more effectively. Finally, we end where we began, with the complexity of you, the beautiful, intricate, unrepeatable pattern of thoughts, feelings, and behaviors that make you uniquely you.